how to add or link a PayPal as a payment method to PrizePicks. Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add PayPal to PrizePicks. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started with today's video. If you want to add PayPal to your PrizePicks account, it's fairly simple for us to do so. Now, first of all, let us explore if it is possible to add. Well, it is definitely possible to add funds to PrizePicks using your PayPal. So for PayPal, you need to either bank link or existing account balance only, not available in NH, ME, MO, CO, and DE. Now over here, after that, you have to make sure to follow a couple of deposit options. Make sure that you're located in an eligible state and make sure that you have not met your limit. The name on your deposit method must match the name on your account, and make sure the payment method is not associated with another account, and make sure that you meet the deposit and withdrawal requirements as well. After that, you can go ahead and then simply go to your payment method. So once you log into prizepicks.com and you click the login button from the top right, you can simply go ahead and then select the payment method option, and from there you can tap on deposit, select PayPal as a deposit method, and you'll be able to add PayPal, or more specifically add funds using PayPal. So I hope the video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of the tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.